Hi everyone, here's a question for you. When was the last time you checked how well your life jacket fits you? My name is Laura from the RNLI Community Safety Team, and today we're going to look at how to fit your life jacket. First, put the life jacket on like a normal jacket and buckle it up. There are different buckling methods, so take some time to get used to the one your life jacket has. It could be a plastic buckle similar to a seatbelt which fastens like this. Or it could be a metal buckle which fastens like this. Twist the smaller buckle to thread through the larger buckle, then untwist to fasten and click it in place. Then adjust it so it's comfortable, using the waist, chest and back straps. Your life jacket should sit on your shoulders like this, not hang from your neck like this. To test the fit, place your fist underneath the buckle. If there is a gap between your fist and your body, then the life jacket is too loose. If your fist won't fit, try loosening the life jacket a little. This life jacket is now a good fit. Do the crotch straps up so they're secure and not in the way. Well-adjusted crotch straps will be as short as possible while still allowing you to move comfortably. And that's all there is to it. Fastenings can seem a bit fiddly at first, but the more you practice, the easier you'll find fitting your life jacket. It's a great idea to try your life jacket on before you buy it. Make sure you find one that's comfortable, easy to fasten and adjust. Everyone's different, so pick the right style for you. Here at the Sea Survival Centre, our lifeboat crews are really put through their paces to learn what to do in an emergency at sea. Before they even go afloat, it's important they check that their life jacket fits properly. Otherwise, it's just a dead weight that will be more danger than help in the water. So, what have we covered today? First, fasten the buckle. Adjust your life jacket. Have you tightened the straps? Test the fit. Does your fist fit under the buckle? Secure the crotch straps. Thanks for watching everyone, and have a great time next time you're on the water.